Hello, cymru. Welcome to Welsh with Will. Those of you who follow this channel will know that I have been trying to learn Welsh for, well, forever. At present, I'm trying the Duolingo phone app. And no, this isn't a paid promotion, I just like the app, which comes in two flavours, a paid version and a free version, and I'm using the free version. I thought I'd take you one session at a time through all the practice sessions from the very beginning up to my present level, and explaining my thought processes as I do so. Now, I won't by any means always get it right, but when I do go wrong, at least you'll know how I got there. Let's do it. So here we are again on Duolingo in practice mode, and we're going to go to number 2 today, greetings 2, and the regular practice.
Draig.
Draig, which means dragon. I'm going for that one there. D-R-A-I-G, draig.
Draig.
Check it. Correct. Very. Well, I know that very is iawn.
Iawn. Diolch.
Diolch, which means thank you. And it's spelled, these are basically spelling tests. D-I-O-L-Ch, well that's diolch. D-I-O-L-Ch, diolch.
Diolch.
Tired. Well, tired, I know, is wedi blino. Wedi blino.
Wedi blino. Ofnadwy.
Ofnadwy, which I think means terrible. Now, of, one F sounds like a V in Welsh, so it'll be ofnadwy.
Ofnadwy.
The matching bears. A boy. That would be bachgen.
Bachgen.
A woman. That's menyw.
Menyw.
Girl. That is merch, I think.
Merch.
Very, as we've just seen, is iawn.
Iawn.
And how? How are you? Sut ydych chi? Sit.
Sit. Dwi wedi blino.
Dwi, I am. Wedi blino, as we've just seen, is tired. So I'm going to go with I am tired. A terrible girl. Well, a girl in Welsh would be merch.
Merch.
Ofnadwy, describing the girl, would be the terrible bit. So we have a girl that is terrible, a terrible girl.
Dim diolch.
Dim diolch. Dim is no, diolch is thank you. So what we've got here basically is no thanks. A terrible boy. Well, a boy is bachgen.
Bachgen.
And as we saw from the last one, ofnadwy is terrible.
Ofnadwy.
So a boy that is terrible, a terrible boy.
Dim diolch. Owen.
Dim diolch, as we've seen, is no thanks. And we're saying no thanks to Owen. No thanks, Owen. Good morning, draig. I'm Dewi. Well, bore is morning. Da is good.
Bore. Da.
Bore da, so I think we've got good morning there. Dragon is draig.
Draig.
Bore da, draig. Good morning, dragon. I'm Dewi. Dewi.
It's Dewi.
Do I.
I.
Literally, Dewi I am. So, good morning, draig. I'm Dewi.
Da iawn. Diolch.
Da iawn. Good
Da.
and very,
Iawn.
very good. Da iawn, diolch.
Diolch.
Thank you. So I'm going to go with very good, thank you for that. Very well, thank you. Dwi, something dwi. Well, it won't be bore da dwi, good morning I am. And it won't be welcome I am, although it might be, I suppose. But I'm going to go with sioned I am. In other words, I am sioned.
Sut ydych chi, Sioned?
Sit, as we've seen, is how. dych chi. How are you?
Sioned.
Sioned. How are you, Sioned?
Dim. Diolch.
We're in the slow mode for
Megan.
some reason.
Dim diolch. Megan.
Dim diolch Megan. So dim. D-I-O-L-Ch. Dim diolch
Dim diolch. Megan.
Megan. M-E-G-A-N. Dim diolch Megan. No thank you, Megan.
Dewi dwi. Sut dych chi?
Dewi,
Dew-
dwi,
I.
sit,
Sut
dych chi.
chi.
So Dewi, dwi, I am. Dewi, I am. Sit, how. Dych chi, are you. So I'm Dewi. How are you?
Sut dych chi?
In the slow mode again.
Sut dych chi? Ofnadwy.
Sit, dych chi. Sit, dych chi. So that's the formal you there. Chi means you. It could also mean you all because it means more than one as well. So sit dych chi, how are you?
Sut dych chi? Ofnadwy.
And the answer is ofnadwy. Ofnadwy. Terrible. So how are you? Terrible. Good morning, Dewi. How are you? So bore, which is morning. Bore. Da, which is good. So the morning, this is good. Bore da, good morning. Dewi. Dewi. How are you? Sit. Dych chi. How are you? How are you, Sioned? So sit dych chi again. Sy, I, ty. Dych chi. Sit dych chi. Sioned. She, o, n, e, d. Not an F. Sit dych chi. Sioned. I am tired. Which was do, I am tired. Wedi blino. Sut dych chi, Sioned? How are you, Sioned? Do I wedi blino. I am tired. Let's try it. And there we go. That's the end of the practice. So thanks for joining me for this practice session. Please comment, like and share if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next session. Hwyl fawr i chi.